Hey everyone! Want to know how to create your very own talking avatar like the ones used by popular faceless YouTube channels? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps, using free AI tools. These avatars are perfect for grabbing attention and boosting engagement, which helps grow your audience and get more subscribers. And the best part? You don't need advanced animation skills or expensive software. I'll be showing you how to do it all with free tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your avatar. First, we need to create an animate character. You can use an image generator like Leonardo AI, Ideogram, or Microsoft Copilot. Today, I'll be using Leonardo AI. Here's how you do it. Go to the Leonardo AI website. Paste the prompt from the video description into the box. You can make changes to it if you want. Choose the 16:9 ratio. Click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have 4 images to pick from. Choose the one you like best. We're going to move on to the next step. Step 2. Upscale the image now. Let's make the image look even better. Head over to core.ai and follow these steps. Click on the Upscale and Enhance button. Upload your image. Hit Enhance. In a few seconds, your image will be upscaled and ready for the next step. Download it and let's move on. Step 3. Add talking animation. Now it's time to bring your avatar to life. Many of these avatars wear masks, not because they're sick, but to save time when animating. This helps avoid syncing lip movements to every word. To animate your avatar, I'm going to use DubDub. Here's what you need to do. Go to DubDub and create an account. Click on AI Avatar and upload the image you just upscaled. Now you'll need an AI voice. I recommend 11 Labs. Type in what you want your avatar to say, choose a voice, and generate the audio. Upload the audio back into DubDub and click Generate Talking Avatar. Your animated avatar will be ready in just a few seconds.
Hi, I am Faizan, and this is my avatar.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. Creating faceless content has never been this easy. Let me know how your avatars turn out in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.